Welcome to my channel Brain Boosters. Like, comment, subscribe. Are eggs healthy? Here are some benefits of eating eggs every day. Fuel your body. 9 surprising health perks of eating eggs every day. Eggs are a nutritious source of protein and vitamins, making them a healthy addition to a diet when eaten in moderation and properly cooked. Strong muscles. Protein in eggs helps maintain and repair muscle tissues. Brain health. Essential vitamins and minerals in eggs support the brain and nervous system function. Healthy immune system. Vitamins A, B12, and selenium in eggs boost immune health. Heart health. Choline in eggs reduces heart disease risk by breaking down homocysteine. Healthy pregnancy. Folate present in eggs helps prevent birth defects. It is extremely beneficial for pregnant women. Eye health. Lutein and zeaxanthin in eggs protect against age-related blindness. Weight management. Protein in eggs promotes fullness, aiding weight loss and maintenance. Skin health. Vitamins and minerals in eggs support healthy skin and tissue integrity. Thank you for watching.